Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can reset settings in your Genshin Impact game. So guys, if you no longer want to continue with your current progress and want to completely restart the game and your game progress, then you can either just choose to create a new account and you can just restart your gameplay there, or you can just go ahead and change your server. Your server is right here with the black part, so you can choose to play in a different server. Like if you're playing in Asia, then just go ahead and tap on Europe. So after you tap on confirm and stay on Europe, you would be set right back to the beginning, and it says right here that data will not be shared across servers. So your game progress will not be right here in Europe. So if you want to reset game settings and completely start anew, just go ahead and change your server, or you can just create a new account. So guys, that's how you reset settings in Genshin Impact. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.